Globally, tobacco use is known to be among the leading causes of cancer, apart from it having other health impacts. Hence, annually, World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on May 31st in order to raise awareness on the subject. Cigarette smoking is the most common form of tobacco use worldwide, and it is an addictive habit that has long-term adverse health effects. Cigarettes contain chemicals that makes this addiction particularly insidious. India's most famous sand artist, who is also a Padma Shri awardee, has made an incredibly intricate and thought-provoking sand sculpture to warn people about harmful effects of tobacco. Sudarsan Pattnaik, on a beach in Odisha, has created a large skeleton that is resting on many large cigarette butts. He posted the image on Twitter with the caption, "On the occasion of #World No Tobacco Day, my sand art at Puri Beach in Odisha. India says no to tobacco."